Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope you're all doing well. We're in the lovely Ishmael and we're going to do a little price video, see what the drinks, clothes, everything in between. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. There we go, you got Nelsa. Hello. Big hotel there, they're obviously doing something so I can hear it. Right, let's have a look at this one. So fillet steak, special offer, $26.99. Full English breakfast, £6. Not bad. And this is Steakhouse Cupids. There we go. Chicken doner wrap, chips and salad, £6. That's not bad. Not bad at all. So far, the cheapest drink I found has been 160 lira. So that's the cheapest. Let's see if we can beat that. So what was that? T-shirts 5 for 20 or 24 lira. And then you've got your sort of like shorts and everything in there. Rose Boutique. This is the one I actually wanted to find. So shout out to Rachel. She actually recommended this one. So I'm going to have a little wander in there in a second. I'll finish off the video and then we'll come back there. I'm glad I found it, Rose Boutique. Right, let's have a little quick look. So you've got watches, My Silver, 925. So you've got a little jewellery section there. And then in this place, let's have a look. $4.99, it's a lot cheaper actually, it's quite a cheap breakfast. And then the Scottish one, $5.99. They're usually about $6.50, some $7 for the Scottish. That's a really good price. So this is Mandolin Steakhouse. How much is it for a large FS?
Large FS, 180 lira.
180 lira, perfect. Thank you. So that's a really good price. Not fake beer, real beer. Thank you. You can also get your coffee, special offer, mezza pita bread. Yeah, really good, $11.90.
Meal price, you get $11.90.
Yeah.
3 courses. You get
That's
starters,
good.
You get the Fulham bread messy.
Yeah.
You choose main meat and your pasta, pizza, chicken, and you get 2 cocktails. That's amazing.
It is. Most of them are sort of $14.99,
Yeah.
so that's a good
Because
price.
People keep coming, they tell other people.
Yeah.
And we do a nice steak special.
Brilliant.
Bust steaks, fillet steaks, melt in your mouth.
Nice.
And any steak except T-bone you can choose in the menu.
Yeah. Which makes sense because T-bone, yeah.
3 courses, just the steak price.
Yeah.
The curry's nice, the Indian foods.
Do your tikka masala,
Yes,
lovely,
everything. And when you
korma.
get curries, you don't pay extra. You get chips, rice, and bread is included.
Ah, perfect. So you get the whole lot,
Yes,
no
there's
add-ons.
most places they charge extra.
Yeah, for the extras.
It's all included.
No, that's really, really good. So
The food's
everyone,
amazing.
check out Mandarin Steakhouse, Ishmael.
Because we have Mandarin trees, that's why.
Thank you so much. Yes, that's really good prices there. So if you are looking for a good meal, definitely recommend that. Again, 180, cheapest I found was 160. That was at, oh God, Prince Restaurant with a swimming pool. So yeah, do check out the videos. There's a couple of these price ones for Ishmael, just to give you guys an idea if you are coming out this summer and you want to know what to expect. Hopefully this has given you a little bit of an idea. Again, I know a lot of people do like all-inclusive here, but you still want to come out every now and then. I know most people sort of like come out for like 1 meal, maybe 2. So we're in Scotiabar. Let's have a look. Pina colada, $5.90. Got buy one, get one free. Import drinks. And then Guinness, $3.80. Morning. And then...
All buy one, get one free.
And how much is it for like a large FS?
250, big bottle.
Big bottle, 250. Perfect. Thank you so much. Cheers. You too. There you go, guys. Got a hotel there, Morel Hotel. That one's pretty, isn't it? Right at the doorway. It's got your beauty salon, tobacco. Got another little bar here. Blondies. Let's check out the food. So you got your fish and chips, 10, that's a good price. And then large FS, $3.50. Giving you all the prices there. Bailey's $5. And that's Blondie's restaurant and bar. Got your kebabish there. Get your traditional Turkish kebab. Got Astoria Hotel. We stayed here last time, so if you do want to check that out, go to the channel. We've got it on there. Hello. Welcome. It's closed at the moment. I think it's something like refurb. But if you do want to see what it's like, we really enjoyed it. We did all inclusive. It was really affordable. Food was nice. Service was nice. Rooms were great. Pool, good size, but not sort of great. Sort of big enough for what we needed. But yeah, do check that out. It's got the Red Lion, full English, $5.90. They do fish and chips every day. Got a pool table, and that's free. They do karaoke here as well, because I remember from staying there last year, this would be very, very loud. But yeah, nice like vibe in here, always busy. Very nice. And then we've got the Blues Brothers, so let's go over to that one. Across the road. And then we'll end up at Guinness bar, because I do like my Guinness. So what have we got here? All famous cocktails. Ah, lovely, look at that. Twister Daiquiri. Yum. Koppenberg, and then you've got your Gordon strawberry. So yeah, some really nice ones there. And then they do karaoke, 70s, 80s, 90s, Motown, English breakfast, again, good price, $4.99. They've got a homemade cider, it says on there.
Yes,
Hi.
Police brothers.
How much is it for a large FS?
FS 200.
200.
Yeah.
Nah, not a bad price, thank you. And this is the Blues Brothers. Huh?
Why just the FS one?
I'm just doing how much it is just for a beer, just so my audience know, because that's the most typical drink people come out for. I've done the cocktails and stuff, but most people just want to know how much it is for a beer.
Most people don't drink just a beer.
I know. But it gives them a price point. Thank you guys, have a lovely day. I'd love to do the whole menu for you, it'd take too long. So Irish bar, Guinness, greatness, cocktails again, buy one, get one free. Nice little pool in that one as well. Let's do a little look for you guys. There we go. So yeah, I like the balloons on this one. Got the little Guinness stands as well. We love you. Hello, how much is it for a Guinness then? How much for a Guinness?
Guinness, 400 lira.
400 lira.
Yes.
And good Guinness?
Very nice.
Very nice, perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go, so Irish dance bar, cocktails, obviously you've got your Jameson, noon Irish pub, happy hour, buy one, get one free, only the best. Fuck the best. There you go, you heard it first from the Irish bar. You got Jasmine Hotel. Ooh, someone's getting their beer delivery. All the kegs coming through. Canal Steakhouse and Fun Pub. Go round. And then we've come to the lovely little canal, which is a really nice little spot, and you've got some nice places here. Bamboo. So let's have a look. Let's do burger. So pizza, $5.50, steak, casserole, pasta. They got a special offer. Again, happy hour. Nice space there. And then, like I said, you've got the beautiful canal. You can have a nice little sit. Oh wow, look at all the little fish with that bread there. It goes all the way around. Right, going to end it there, guys. So hopefully that's given you a nice little price point of what you can expect when you come to Ishmael. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all on the next one.